Lena, hey boy, I know it's been like been a long time since I left you, but I don't beat deaf you, no, I don't know what I'm singing, but I told you I was gonna make a video, but I really haven't had the time to, but now I do. So yeah, it was real good seeing you this weekend. I ain't seen you in a long time since school. Well, not even school. You moved, but yeah. I need to see you more often. Stop creeping. Hit me up sometime. As like a stranger, you always want to talk on Facebook and in person. You want to act all shady, bro. No, no, but yeah, it was good to see you this weekend. And I missed you a lot. And we need to go hit up a scene one time somewhere. It don't matter. That's my song playing. Um, but yeah. Do you want me to do something stupid for you? You want me to sing to the song for you? Alright, let me turn it up. Alright, that's something I did retarded for you, but to me it's not retarded, I do it every day, but, plus there ain't gonna be no fireworks this year, now that song got me depressed, because I know there ain't gonna be no more fireworks, but alright, Melina, I guess I'll let you go. Yeah, what's today, Tuesday? Yeah, it's summer, so it really don't matter, but we need to hang out. Just hit me up or something and make it happen, Captain. Alright, well, peace, love, and me. I would do the other part, but it's holding the camera. Alright, love you, Nina. Team Bench.